Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on Reduce Transparency feature on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So to get to the setting, you want to go open settings, then you want to swipe down to find the accessibility option. Click on this one and then you want to go to the display and text size, and here you have this option to reduce transparency. As you can see, if you turn on this feature, it is going to improve the contrast by reducing the transparency of the text and blurs some background to increase legibility. So what it means that if you are going to read something in the web, for example, and the text is going to be transparent, it is going to make the text a little bit less transparent to make sure that it is easier for you to read, and it is going to a little bit more legible. So this is it. This is how you can turn on this option, and to turn this feature off, the same steps: settings, then accessibility, then display and text size, and then just turn off the option called Reduce Transparency. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!